Mac User 2418, and I would like to share with you some of the applications I use every day, and some of them that have come in really handy and are really good for productivity. So this is basically everything that's in my applications folder, and then I'll go over some stuff that isn't in there and is in my system preferences or in the menu bar. So, of course, we got Address Book. Adium is the first one I'll talk about. It's basically a universal instant messaging application. You can hook in your Gmail, your MSN, your Yahoo, your AOL, even Facebook and MySpace can be loaded into this site, and you can be connected to all of them at once in one little window. You can probably see mine over here. I got 2 people online. And then next we got the whole Adobe CS3 type stuff, you know, photo editing, Flash and stuff. And here's the next application, is Anxiety, which is basically like a task list, like a real easy task list type thing. Click this button in the menu bar, this little check one, and you get these. When you check them, they disappear, they're gone. So these are all the things I have to do. And then next, AppleScript App Zapper. That is application that is meant for deleting applications, because every time you use an application that's new, that application always puts little tiny files all over your computer. So this application makes sure everything gets deleted when you want to get rid of an application. This Armageddon Advance is just a fun little game that I have. It's the only game I have because I don't usually game, but it's kind of addicting. You just like this old car and you just drive around, basically, trying to make other cars crash. It's pretty cool. Automator comes with the Mac. Awaken. This is by far, like, I've tried like several alarm clocks, and this one really takes the cake for me because it'll wake the computer up from sleep for once, which is nice. So you don't have to have your computer on all night. And you can have it like automatically open an application that you set if you want to at a certain time. That's really nice. Boot Camp comes with a computer, run Windows or Linux. Caffeine. I hate it when like I'll be watching a movie and the screen auto dims or something like that. I have to go to system preferences to change that. So there's a little application up at the top here in the menu bar. It's called Caffeine. You click it, coffee fills up the thing or whatever, and doesn't dim or anything. Calculator comes with the computer. Camouflage, like I like a clean desktop. I like right now only have like 4 things on there. But what you do is you use this thing in the menu bar, hit hide icons, and everything goes away for right now. Or if you double click on the desktop, it'll bring up your desktop. It's a nice little application if you like stuff hidden. Candy Bar is an application I have for customizing icons and stuff, because I like everything personalized, as you can tell by my folders and stuff. Chess comes with a computer. Cool Iris, that's a Firefox plugin I never got rid of. Crossover, so you can run some Windows applications on your Mac, which is really nice, without having to install it completely. It's like an emulated type thing. CyberDuck is what I use to like get into the software of my iPod and stuff, to change around some of the customization stuff. Dashboard, of course, everyone knows about that stuff. Delicious Library is like an inventory for all your stuff. Like if I open mine, it'd show all the games and movies that I have, and it actually uses your camera to, actually uses your camera to scan stuff, like barcodes. That's really cool. Is that dictionary? Divx, this is all Divx Play. All that stuff comes with it. Firefox, a nice internet browser, lots of plugins. That's what I like about it. Flip for Mac lets you play WMV files on your Mac. Fluid Tunes is a pretty cool application. Lets you do, it looks at you with your camera and shows your cover flow on your screen, and it'll let you move it around with that. Let's see. Okay, I don't know why it's not working right now, but it's. Oh wait, here we go. Maybe. Nope. Okay. Fonts, front row is the application, you know, that like displays all your music and stuff and videos. GarageBand, all this stuff comes on the Mac. Google updates some of the Google applications I have on here. Command Perspective is really cool because it shows you what files are taking up what space. Like if I open this up, you'd see I had a big chunk going to one file, which is my Windows virtual machine. Handbrake, application for ripping DVDs to like MP4 and iTunes format. iAlertU is like a car alarm for your computer, your Mac. Let's use the remote to control it, like, and if anyone touches it or anything, it goes off, takes a picture of whoever trying to take your Mac and sends it to you via email. Calendar, Ice Clean is a nice little utility to clean up some of the files and stuff that are on your Mac. It'll run smoother after you run this every once in a while. All of this stuff comes on a Mac. This is called Synuity, and what it is it rips music off your iPod. iPod Wizard, it's a Windows application actually, but it's for modding your 5th gen video iPod. I show you the application I'm using right now to record all of this. Nice little application I got a long time ago. iStopMotion, exactly what it sounds like, takes stop motion videos for you. iSync comes with a Mac. This lets you use a network drive if you have one on your network as a time machine. iTunes, of course, iWeb, all this stuff. Key Manager lets you store all your passwords in one place in case you forget them, because I have a lot of passwords. Keynote from iWork, LimeWire, of course.